known, right? So many activities you perform. You walk, you run, you study, and you do such a lot of work, even in the lockdown, right? So for all this, you will require energy. And this energy you will get from food. Is it that there is lockdown, you're not going out, so you're not going to eat also? You are going to eat, right? Because even if while studying, you'll consume a lot of energy. So these are the nutrients which are there in a food. Any queries? Anybody who did not understand? This is a very quick and easy beginning of this chapter, life processes. Do you want to ask anything till here? Is it easy? Yes. Okay. So now there are the different modes of nutrition. Do you understand modes? Modes means what? What do you mean by modes? Modes of nutrition. There are two modes of nutrition. What are the two modes of nutrition? One is the autotrophic. What do you mean by autotrophic nutrition? And the second is heterotrophic. So there are the different modes of nutrition. The first one is the autotrophic nutrition and second is the heterotrophic nutrition. What do you mean by autotrophic nutrition? By autotrophic nutrition, you mean that it is made up of the organisms will make their own food. That is autotrophic nutrition. For example, which organisms make their own food? The plants, right? And the heterotrophic nutrition, wherein the organisms depend on the other animals or other organisms for their food. They are known as heterotrophic organisms. What is the example? All the other living beings and human beings and animals. Okay. And ऐसे नहीं है कि mama is making food so she is autotrophic. Not that way. It is like the plants can produce their own food inside themselves. Okay, yeah, so that is called as autotrophic nutrition. So it is made up of nutrition in which organisms synthesize their own food by using the sunlight, the carbohydrate, sorry, the chlorophyll, the carbon dioxide, and they make the. You can't hear me? You can hear me, right? Okay, so now please write the definition of autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition. You can write the title, modes of nutrition, and within that, the first one is autotrophic nutrition. It is a mode of nutrition. It is a mode of nutrition in which organisms synthesize their own food full stop. There are inorganic sources present in the surrounding, present in the surrounding for this process. Next line. Such organisms are called. And what are such organisms called which have autotrophic nutrition? What are such organisms called that have autotrophic nutrition? Yeah? Pardon? Yes, Riza? Yes, correct. Autotrophs. Such organisms are called autotrophs. Full stop. Most of the plants are autotrophs. Now we go to the second definition. You are with me? All of you are with me? Okay. The second definition, heterotrophic nutrition. Organisms that depend on organisms that depend on other organisms for their food are heterotrophic organisms. Are heterotrophic organisms. Such organisms are called heterotrophs. Such organisms are called heterotrophs. All animals and fungi, all animals and fungi are heterotrophic. Now you write a title, section, cross section of a leaf. And draw this diagram, okay?